Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm cooking barbecue on my grill, and I just emptied it out of the container. I've got it, and I'm switching the sides and flipping it uh, top to bottom. And what I'll do, I'll open up that tin foil and spread it out, and let the smoke get to it and flavor it up. Got some cauliflower there, and this is cut barbecue. I've got some hamburger buns in there that I'll put it on. And what I'll put on those buns is some of this Carolina Treat. This is the North Carolina type vinegar-based sauce. This is a polite seasoning. It isn't hot what I normally like it, but I could throw some red pepper in there if I want to. But I don't do that just in case I have company. But anyway, that's what we're doing in North Carolina today. And I've got a video coming up. I'm going to be cooking biscuits on the grill, along with some country ham. It's cut especially for biscuits. But this will be delicious. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.